Let me explain why you should not stay in a luxury hotel, but in a traditional riad on your upcoming trip to Marrakesh. Hi and welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best hotel or riad for your upcoming trip to Marrakesh? Are you confused by all the choices or you're unsure which location you should pick? Choosing the right accommodation can have a big impact on your overall experience in Marrakesh. So let me help you make the right decision and take you on this Marrakech Riad Tour. If you are new here, this channel is all about inspiring people to travel more. So let me do the hard work so that you can spend less time researching and more time traveling. When I was trying to find the best hotel before my recent trip to Marrakesh, I was overwhelmed by the many choices. I was shocked by the relatively cheap prices for luxury hotels and also stunned by the beautiful riad options in Marrakesh. I wanted to experience the best of both worlds. So I stayed not only in a riad but also in one of the luxury hotels in the new city so that I can give you the best recommendation in this video. So what is the real difference between staying in a riad or in a hotel? Riads are small family houses which have been converted into guest houses or into hotels. Riads are small and give you a family feeling. You will have hands-on service, and in most riads you can book a specific room since they usually have less than 10 rooms available in the riad. They typically also have amazing rooftops where you can have your breakfast in the morning while enjoying the sunrise or enjoy the sunset with the beautiful Atlas Mountains in the background. Hotels, on the other hand, give you the chance to experience pure luxury for a relatively reasonable price in Marrakesh. The hotels in Marrakesh will have large lobbies and more modern interior. So you won't have the traditional Moroccan experience, but you will have pure luxury. Also, because it's a typical hotel, there are many rooms and you won't have the family feeling as you would have in one of the riads. Another big difference between riads and hotels is the location. The riads are located in the old town of Marrakesh. That means that you're right in the action. While riads are more romantic and are probably the best option for couples, the luxury hotels in the new town are more removed from the chaos of the old city and are maybe better for families with young kids. That, however, means that you can't walk to the attractions in the old city and you probably need to get taxis all the time. So let me help you make the right decision for your upcoming trip and take you on this Marrakech Riad Tour. Welcome to Riad Bindoo. The room we booked was very stylish with a clean bathroom and a nice shower. It had a double sink. The bed was very comfortable and the pillows were very good. As I said before, every room looks different, so have a look at the official Bindoo website so that you choose the right room for you. Our room was the only room with a small terrace in front of the room, so we could have breakfast in our private area next to the pool in the morning. Let's talk about the features. Good Wi-Fi is important for me and I like a good view and a safe in the room so I can leave my things behind while we go out and explore the city. Riad Bindoo offered all of that. It had great Wi-Fi, we didn't have any problems with the connection. The safe was operated with a key. The roof terrace was amazing. You had a great view with the Atlas Mountains in the background. You could have breakfast here and enjoy the sun coming up. Or you come here in the evening and you watch an amazing sunset. The breakfast was amazing and a great start to your day. I would recommend to eat on the rooftop because you can see the amazing view with the Atlas Mountains in the background. The breakfast was different every day, but basically consisted of some bread, some savory items and some fruit. The riad has a pool, but please note that it's not heated, so in the winter months you probably don't want to use it. It has a lounge area with a TV, because there are no TVs in the rooms. For me, the difference between a good and an amazing hotel is the service. This riad had amazing service. From the first moment I felt at home. It was actually my girlfriend's birthday on one of the days we stayed there. I mentioned it in the morning and one of the employees went out and got us 2 slices of birthday cake with some candles within 20 minutes, so I was very astonished by that. Alright, so let's talk about my experience in the luxury hotel in Marrakesh. The room was very modern and spacious. There was bottled water waiting for us next to some pastries. The bed was very large with nice pillows and nice blankets, a large TV and a well-sized bathroom. The shower area was very spacious, but there was only one sink in the bathroom. It had a nice spa and large pool downstairs, an additional pool and bar on the rooftop. The breakfast buffet was very good, with a large choice from pastries to cheese and meats to cornflakes and warm items. And there was also a selection of juices. The biggest difference between the hotel and the riad was the feeling. While in the hotel we felt more like any other customer, in the Riad we felt at home and more appreciated as a customer. So if you are traveling to Marrakesh, I would definitely recommend staying at the typical Moroccan Riad. The location will make it easier for couples to be right in the action, save on costs for taxis, and gives you the typical Moroccan feeling you're probably looking for if you're traveling to Marrakesh. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up button below and consider subscribing so that you don't miss my next episode. Thank you very much for watching, have a great trip to Marrakesh and see you in my next video.